ready to go. I'm so excited. And
Mexico.
it's not here yet, but luckily the flight is on time, so we're all good, okay? We're getting our food soon. We went through like all this stuff. And it was like really fast. And our whole family's here, and we're gonna see you guys on the plane. Okay guys, so now we're in the plane, like we said we would be, and here is outside right now. We're waiting for takeoff. Cousins, say hi to the vlog. We're going up soon. We're still on the ground. We're taking off now. Before we were just coming to the runway where they take off now, and I'm like, oh no. I'm just excited for Mexico.
I'm excited to scream.
Hi there.
Hi.
Here, take it.
Hi.
Hi. That was our cousins back from last year. If you guys remember them. Jamaica.
Oh, so you remember Bob and Charlie?
Oh yeah, Bob and Charlie. They're Bob and Charlie. From our last video, actually. Or 2 videos ago. That's what I mean. Okay, I think we're going soon. We're going soon. I've been loving this game. Amaze, whatever it's called, you know, where you go like,
I'm high level.
I'm so bad. But that's the ocean. Okay, so now we arrived at the hotel, and it took
Where's
like
your
a long
sweater?
time, but now we're here.
Like, if I take it out,
And it's not that warm,
maybe it's
but
just
it'll
here.
get
Maybe
warm.
closer down. And we might go to the pool.
Yeah, we might go later. But we're definitely eating dinner soon because I'm like hungry. Okay, guys, so we're going to go on a walk. It's night right now, like not really night, but like it's dark. And we have like a really nice view of our balcony, which I'll show you guys another time. But I'm gonna do a room tour maybe now or like soon, so yeah. Okay, so now we're finally gonna be able to do a room tour, so let's go. Come on in. That's the bathroom. This is like a closet. Okay, so yeah, let's go in the bathroom first. Oh. So we have our shower, our 2 lovely sinks. We have a hair dryer and a toilet, of course. Now, we have our mini bar with lots of drinks in the fridge.
Deluxe drinks.
Deluxe soda.
Yeah.
We come here and we see the dad lying on the bed. Then we go.
This is our bed.
Our bed. And then we have our little couch
Yes.
and table.
And this is our balcony.
But it's dark right now, so it's hard to see.
Yeah.
So now you follow me to our TV and dresser, where all our clothes
Will be.
stored. Okay,
And
so now
that-
roll the montage. gosh! So bye from day one. So bye. So tomorrow we'll be going to the beach probably, maybe
And going on the water slides.
and like lots of fun. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog.
So
And
that was day one.
So be back tomorrow. Keep
For day
watching.
2.
Just know that probably next week we'll have our part 2.
Next week.
Hi guys, it's day 2. Welcome back to another day. We're like not hyper. We want to go back to bed.
We just woke up.
And we don't know what we're doing yet, but we're going to breakfast soon. Say hi to our vlog.
Hello. Hello.
Say hi to our vlog. We're going to breakfast. What?
My mom didn't pack me any long sleeves, so I had to wear short sleeves in Mexico. Let's go.
Look at our view. Look at the view. Okay, we're back to vlogging. Wait, we have a vlog, guys.
Hello. Back to our channel. Look at all this food. It's all breakfast.
Food. It's breakfast. Yeah, breakfast.
I'll get plates for everyone.
Go look at all the options. Oh, there's yogurt.
Tortilla chips.
Oh, what is that? Yeah. Oh, there's fruit. There's like lots of fruit.
Why are you excited about the fruit?
Because that could be part of our breakfast. Did you spot the waffles? Aw. dried off, and now we're going to our room to relax and take showers.
And I'm also here.
Yep. So yeah, we're going to our hotel room.
Oh, and
now.
Bob
Shower.
is safely feeling better.
And Bob.
We were talking about you in the
feel
vlog.
bad for Bob.
Just subscribe, and it would help.
Yeah, it'll help me a lot. Like probably like 1,000 views.
No, please subscribe. Whatever. It would make her feel better if every single person who
watch this video just to subscribe. You know, that'd be a lot better.
Even if you like the video.
And guys, guess what?
And even if you just accidentally press on it.
We have a huge surprise for you guys at 100 subscribers.
Yep.
Okay, we'll see you in the room. Okay, vlog, so we're going to dinner. This is my dinner outfit. It's like Christmas dinner. I'm all excited. And when we're going to show, we probably won't vlog until we get back, but who knows? We're bringing the camera, and that should be good. If you're wondering what I'm looking at, I'm looking in the mirror, so yeah.
So now we're in our room getting ready for breakfast, and yeah.
We're going to breakfast! Sorry we didn't vlog that much today, so the vlog will be kind of short. But the last time we vlogged, when was the last time we vlogged?
Not to talk to him.
No, we're going to bed. We just watched the show and it was inappropriate.
Sorry we didn't vlog that much today. We basically went on a sailboat and we went on water slides and pretty much like yesterday, so we vlogged. Okay guys, welcome to day 4. to the slides, and now we are, excuse me, going to dinner.
Hello, welcome back to vlog. Today we're escaping the parents. This is Blake's vlog. Today we're looking at the beautiful sky and the trees and the water. No. Hello. Name is Blake.
Stinky, stinky.
You did the stupid decision of
No, I didn't have any. That's why. Say hi to vlog. This is my vlog. I don't need to say hi. Hi! I'm Bob. I am Bob. My name is Bob. My last name's Cornatelli. My last name's Cornatelli. Okay, how that means then Bob Cornatelli. It's not even filming. No. What? I need to feel the water. I'm Dwayne. Bloopers. I'm Dwayne. Hello, vlog. You. Oh my God. You look like an ex. I get to go. No. Did I scare you there? No. I'm Bob. Say hi.
And I'm looking good.
Piana, stop dancing.
Hi.
It's the piano.
Okay, that's kind of.
Okay, guys, so we're starting the vlog today. Okay, guys, so that would be it for part 1. Make sure to come back next week for part 2. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe.